It is really so fun to be creative. So it's me, Marilyn's journey again, and let me help you to become artistic in everything. And this paper strips, we got this from India, and help us do the unboxing. It is really an strange thing that before, when we order from India, we didn't pay any single money for receiving the package. But this time when we got this from the custom, they asked for us to pay for 10,000 pesos together with the tax. Imagine that, 10,000 pesos.
Oh no!
Let's do the unboxing, guys. And just like before, why we still ordered from India and why not here in the Philippines? It's all because in India they have the special machine for cutting papers. And especially they all have that kind of thickness of paper, like 20 GSM, like that, for 2 mm and 3 mm. So for the better result of your creation, you have to use the tough paper like those. And we order also this paper crimper, and this one, the round template. You can see here our projects that we made, me and my sister. It's really grateful for having such a talent that you have, for example, and at the same time you can do a business out of it. So if you'd like to have this kind of design, and you can create your own design, and you just have to tell us. So just DM us, and we'll do a great design of yours. And it's me, Marilyn's Journey again, saying thank you for always supporting my channel, and bye bye everyone. Stay safe. Mega love shout out to all.